ninjas or something? Don't worry, I'm not robbing a bank. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Cargocycle. I'm back at the shop right now and my little guy fell asleep in the car. It's pretty bright outside, I can barely open my eyes, but there's worse than that. Okay, it's way better here inside. I'm tired.
You should probably make a song about being tired.
Yeah. You know what helps? At least what helps me the most? Gotta be quiet again. Alright, here we are again. Today I want to disassemble the CA, this guy right here, because as already mentioned in the previous video, there's still the old frame, old structure in it underneath the covers, and we want to upgrade that to the newest version that we have. And also it looks like that we need to redesign the rear cover, not because of the overall shape, as you can see here, not because of the overall shape, it's simply because of the way that we did the testing on this one didn't turn out the way that we wanted to have for durability. So I need to redo that. Let's start with disassembling. Let me move this real quick to the side that you have more space. Watch your foot. Alright, I'm gonna place the camera right here that we can do a little time lapse and see how the progress is going, okay? Right, we stripped down the front part of the Cargocycle. So maybe a quick explanation on the overall functionality and for the overall concept. The idea behind this is that the back part, the back frame, here you can see, just for an example, here you can see the frame without the cover. So this will be always the same. It is always the same rear frame, which we can use for both of the models, for the industrial version, for the CS and for the CA. The front part is always CA, means Cargocycle angled box version, means that the box in the front is angled, as you can see right here. If you do choose the CS Cargocycle straight box version, as you can see right here, it's a straight box. So that's the idea behind and the concept. Alright, so those are the side panels. Let me try to do this like this. Hopefully it works out. So those are the side panels that I 3D printed. This belongs in here. This belongs right here. And I wanted to cut new ones because I wanted to have like two pieces. Like this part being one piece, and the front part where the wheel is, we want to have like meshings. So but this part I'm now copying and cutting into pieces that I don't have to reprint this again, because printing took a little more time, and I don't have really time left today, so that's why I need to I bought those plastic sheets right here from Menards, and I can just cut this into the piece that I want to, and I have it ready within 5 minutes. So that's the idea behind. So you get the idea. This is coming to this section right here, and this is prototyping. Alright, So this is actually perfect and easy for prototyping, especially with the extrusions that we have right here. The extrusion where we can just bolt on the T-slots, the T-nuts with the screws. And really quick, like within 5 minutes, we can see how the shapes are coming together. If that works out design-wise or not is something to try out before we do the actual production for those parts. Can you please turn down the music a little bit? Turn down the music a little bit. So that's it for today. I tried a couple of things with the side panels and with the handlebar right here. Yeah, that's it for today.
Wait a minute, wait.
We need to pick up your sister right now because she is back from the summer camp and we need to...
I just want to do something really, really fast.
What do you want to do? What are you... You're trying. Alright. Don't worry, I'm not robbing a bank. It's just a mask for...
Go-karting.
We are going go-karting right now, together with the little guy, because we want him to get into the race league. Can you put on your mask? Are you ready? Are you ready to rock and roll? Couple, yeah.
Flash mob. Got it.
Oh no! Pick it up.
So everybody, we're going go-karting right now. So my father and my brother